Buon pomeriggio e bentornati alla Lesson 3 di Impara l'Inglese. Oggi parleremo in questa lezione della Sentence Structure, ovvero della struttura della frase. Abbiamo due tipologie di frase, le active, ovvero le attive, dove il soggetto compie l'azione, all'interno della quale abbiamo le affirmative, che sono le frasi affermative, composte da subject più verb più object. Le negative, composte da subject più verb più la negazione not più l'object. Le interrogative, oppure anche question form, che sono composte da verb più subject più object più punto di domanda, question form. E le interrogative negative, verb più subject più not più object più question mark più punto di domanda. E poi abbiamo l'altra categoria, che sono le frasi passive, dove il soggetto subisce l'azione. Partiamo dalla affirmative form o positive form, subject plus verb plus object. Vediamo un esempio. I write a letter. I subject, write verb, a letter object. Vediamo nella negative form. Subject plus verb plus not plus object. Vediamo un esempio. You are not alone. You subject, are not verbo, in questo caso ausiliare, not negazione, alone object. Question form o interrogative form. Verb plus subject plus object più question mark. Come vedete, in questa frase si invertono il verbo col soggetto rispetto alla affirmative form, quindi verb plus subject plus object. Esempio: is he a teacher? Is verb, he subject, a teacher object. Negative question form oppure negative interrogative form. Verb plus subject plus not plus object plus question mark. Vediamo un esempio. Are you not at school? Are verbo, you subject, not negazione, at school object. Remember, ricorda. Affirmative, subject plus verb plus object. Negative, subject plus verb plus not plus object. Interrogative, verb plus subject plus complement object. Interrogative negative, verb plus subject plus not plus complement object. A simple sentence structure that, if you learn it well, it will be the right way to start the approach with the study of the English language, and step by step, day after day, year after year, we will reach altogether the final goal.
Over the basic parts of a sentence. First, we have the subject. The subject is the person or thing that does something in the sentence. It is near the beginning of the sentence and is a noun. In the example, the subject is she. Next is the verb. The verb is a word that expresses an action, occurrence, or state of being in the sentence. In the example, the verb is likes. Last is the object. The object is a person or thing that receives the action of a verb. In English, word order is very important. The word order is subject, verb, object. For example, this sentence says, he reads books. He is the subject, reads is the verb, books is the object. Let's look at different English sentence patterns. English sentences have 5 basic patterns. First, there is subject plus verb. This structure does not have an object. For example, Melissa reads. Melissa is the subject, reads is the verb. The next pattern is subject plus verb plus object. This is what we just studied. I like eggs. In this sentence, we have a subject, I, a verb, like, and an object, eggs. Third, there is subject plus verb plus adjective. Remember, the way to use English adjectives is very different than in Chinese. For example, we have the sentence, Laura is busy. Laura is the subject, is the verb, and busy is the adjective. Fourth, there is subject plus verb plus adverb. An adverb describes a verb, like an adjective describes a noun. We haven't studied adverbs yet, but we will study them in a few weeks. Let's look at an example. Sarah is here. This sentence tells us where Sarah is. She is here. Sarah is the subject, is the verb, and here is the adverb. The final structure is subject, verb, noun. This pattern describes people and things. For example, she is my friend. They are teachers. He is a doctor. These sentences all have a subject, a verb, and a noun. So let's review. What is the basic sentence structure? It's subject, verb, object. We call English a subject, verb, object language. And here are the 5 basic sentence patterns. Subject plus verb. Subject plus verb plus object. Subject plus verb plus adjective. Subject plus verb plus adverb. Subject plus verb plus noun. I hope that you understand sentence structure better now.